How to remove made in Webflow. So here I've just logged into my Webflow account, and then from the dashboard here or workspace, first you have to locate the website for which you want to remove the branding. Then right here underneath the preview of your website, we want to click on the three dots, and then we will go to settings. Once we're taken to the settings page here, then what we have to do is make sure we are on the general tab here from the left hand side, and then simply scroll down until you see the option here for Webflow branding, and this is the options that we want to focus on. So if we want to hide the Webflow branding from our published site, then we will need to add a paid site plan, or basically that means that we need to have a premium plan purchased. So if we have a premium plan purchased, we'll be able to toggle this off here. And once toggled off, we will no longer have the made in Webflow sign on our website. So I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.